Hi dear students, welcome to Exam Side Mathematics by Pani. Here the continue video of 10C exercise from conic sections which is related to ellipse. Once you go through these students, please join in this session. Yeah. Question number 13 to question number 23. Find the equation of ellipse that satisfies given conditions. In question number 13, vertices and foci of the ellipse is given. You have to calculate equation of ellipse. See, vertices plus or minus 5 comma 0. Y coordinate is 0 in vertices and focus. Therefore, this type of ellipse is horizontal type ellipse. Keep in mind, dear students, whenever it is horizontal type ellipse, S dash are the foci, A dash, A are vertices. This is right side of the center, positive, left side of the center, negatives. So this is 4 comma 0, this is minus 4 comma 0. Minus 5 comma 0 plus 5 comma 0. So clearly A is greater than B case. This is whenever y coordinates of vertices and foci are zeros, the equation of ellipse is in standard form. X square by A square plus Y square by B square equal to 1. Clearly A is greater than B. See, first vertices compare with plus or minus A comma 0. Foci compare with plus or minus AE comma 0. So from this data, A is equal to 5 and from this data, AE is equal to 4. Whenever you know the values of A and AE, B square equal to, we have the formula. A square into 1 minus E square, that also can be written as A square minus AE whole square. A square means 25, 5 square. AE whole square, 4 square means 16. 25 minus 16 is 9. So B square value 9. A value 5 means A square value is 25. Therefore, equation of ellipse, the required equation of ellipse. A square value 25 plus y square by b square 9 equal to 1. So according to the data, your answer is this one, dear students. Okay. Those who are joined, please share this link to your friends and relatives. Whoever is required about this channel, you can. Even myself also sharing to different social media. Yeah, thank you, dear students. Next, question number 14. If you observe the data, vertices 0, comma plus or minus b, foci 0, comma plus or minus b. Whenever vertices and foci are having x coordinate is 0, the equation of ellipse in the vertical form, in this case a is less than b, that equation is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. But the case is a is less than b, dear students. Here this is the center, this is foci, this is b, this is b dash. Okay. Now b equal to 13 and be is equal to 5. A square equal to in this. Okay. So a square equal to b square minus be whole square. So b square means 169 minus 25. So 144 a square value. So b square value is 13 square, that is equal to 169. So a square and b square values substitute in this, you get the required equation of ellipse is x squared by 144 plus y squared by 169 equal to 1. I hope you understand this, students. We'll move to another set of questions. అదే రేపు నుంచి 5-15 ముందుగా వెళ్ళి తీసుకొస్తాను, నన్ను తీసుకురాను. అయితే question number 15, the given data is vertices plus or minus 6 comma 0 and foci plus or minus 4 comma 0. Next question number 16. Ends of major axis. Ends of major axis. So indirectly it is given, dear students, plus or minus 3 comma 0 and ends of minor axis. Ends of minor axis. 0 comma plus or minus 2. So this is the data they provided. So as usual, like 13th question, vertices compared with the plus or minus a comma 0 and foci compared with the plus or minus ae comma 0. In vertices and foci, y coordinate is 0. Whenever y coordinate is 0, the equation of ellipse in the standard form. That means horizontal type code. A is greater than B case, dear students. C, foci, A dash, A vertex. This is B, B dash. Clearly we observe that A is greater than B. So A is equal to, here, A is equal to 6 and A is equal to 4. We know that, or we have the formula b square equal to a square minus ae whole square or a square e square. Another formula is also there, a square into 1 minus e square. That also we will write it as. So a square means 6 square minus 4 square. So 36 minus 16, which is equal to 20. So b square value we got it. And a square equal to 6 square 36. So a square and b square value substitute. Substitute in x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Therefore, the required equation of ellipse, ellipse is x square by 36 plus y square by 20 equal to 1. If you come to the question number 16, ends of major axis compared with plus or minus a comma 0, ends of minor axis compared with 0 comma plus or minus b. So after comparing these two values, here a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 2. Based on A and B values, we decide whether it is horizontal type ellipse or vertical type ellipse. A is greater than, clearly here, A is greater than B. Again, you are going to get this type of ellipse, horizontal type. So, A and B, you know that no, in eccentricity we can calculate E equal to A square minus B square divided by A square. So root over 9 minus 4 divided by 9. So E equal to root 5 by 9, which is equal to root 5 divided by 3. Eccentricity we got it, yes, students. Next. So from this E is equal to root 5 by 3. So cross multiply 3e is equal to root 5, and in place of 3 you replace with a is equal to root 5. So a value you know that, ae value also we know that, b also we know that, no need of writing. Whenever you know a and b values, you can calculate equation of, no need of calculating eccentricity also. Only thing is, just I want to calculate a square, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. No need of calculating eccentricity, just I am finding that distance. So x square by 9 plus y square by 4 equal to 1, which is required equation of ellipse. We'll move to other questions. From question number 17, 18, we'll go that. Based on the given data, we have to calculate equation of ellipse, dear students. Next, question number 17. Ends of major axis, ends of major axis, zero comma plus or minus root 5, and ends of minor axis, ends of minor axis, plus or minus 1 comma 0. Next question number 18. Length of major axis. The length of major axis. If we do these questions, you will get perfectness in solving ellipse equations. Length of major axis 26. Foci coordinates plus or minus 5 comma 0. So next question number 19. The length of minor axis. Length of minor axis. 16, comma, foci coordinates 0 comma plus or minus 6. So we'll finish it these ends of major axis and ends of minor axis. Major axis ends 0 comma plus or minus root 5. So we can understand that the equation of ellipse will be in this. Why? Because root 5 is 1 point, 2 point something. So it is b dash 0 comma root 5, 0 comma minus root 5. Ends of the major axis. So b dash is equal to, this is C, 2 times of root 5, root 5 plus root 5, 2 root 5. Okay, this is equal to 2b. That implies b is equal to root 5. Next, ends of minor axis. Here it is a dash 1 comma 0 minus 1 comma 0. So ends of minor axis, a dash equal to 2, that is equal to 2a, a is equal to 1. Ends of minor axis, ends of major axis. By observing, we can decide. So AB values, we know that means we can write the equation of ellipse. So x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 is required equation of ellipse. So that is x square by 1 plus y square by root 5 whole square, which is equal to 1. Okay, dear students, I hope you understand. We'll move to question number 18. Length of major axis is 26 and foci coordinates are plus or minus 5 comma 0. So obviously foci coordinates lies on x axis. Why? Because y is 0 here. So S is 5 comma 0, S dash is minus 5 comma 0. This is center, A dash. This length is given. So given length of major axis, that is A dash is equal to 2A equal to 26, A is equal to 13. Next, distance between foci, S dash is equal to 5 comma 0, from here to here it is 5 units, from here to here it is 5 units, 10. So 2AE is equal to 10, AE is equal to 5. So whenever A and AE value, if you know that, B square, we have B square equal to A square minus AE whole square. So 13 square minus 5 square, 169 minus 25, that is equal to 144. Therefore, the required equation of ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, x square by 169 plus y square by 144 equal to 1. Okay, dear students, we'll move to question number 19. The length of minor axis is 16 and foci coordinates are 0, plus or minus 6. You observe that foci lies on y-axis. Why? Because x is 0. So the rough figure of ellipse will be like this. So whenever the figure is like this vertical direction, B dash is called major axis. So minor axis length A dash, it is equal to 16. A dash is equal to 16. So 2A is equal to 16. A is equal to 8. Similarly, foci coordinates 0, plus or minus 6, 0, plus or minus B. So B is equal to 6. So BE value we know that. Foci coordinates length of minor axis. Eccentricity E is equal to root over b square minus a square by b square, that is equal to root over b square by b square minus a square by b square so from this E is equal to 6 by b. So 6 by b root 1 minus a square by b square. A value substitute and get it answer. (36 by b square equal to 1 minus 64 by b square). So bring this sign. 100 by b square is equal to 1. B square is equal to 100. B. So A value, B value, we know that now. So therefore, required equation of ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. X square by a square means 64. Y square by 100 equal to 1. Which is the required equation of ellipse. Compulsory from this one question, surely it comes from 10 serious students, so keep in mind and practice. If you are really like this video, please share to your friends and relatives. Those who are now in AP intermediate, the syllabus from this year onwards it was changed. In the coming February, they have exams. In model papers also, I am explaining in my other channel, Maths with Panindra. In that model paper by tomorrow, we will finish it, that model paper 1. From Friday onwards, model paper 2 also we are going to start. I will drop this and we will continue with these other questions. So till 19 completed now, more 4 questions. to finish the session. Question number 20. Foci coordinates are plus or minus 3 comma 0 and A is equal to 4. In question number 21, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 4. C in the sense AE, dear students, according to textbook. Foci on x-axis. Foci on x-axis. Okay. So from this data, center at the origin, that also given, and center at origin. Center at origin. So from this, we observe that foci coordinates are plus or minus 3 comma 0. So foci lies on x-axis, y coordinate is 0. So foci coordinates compare with the plus or minus AE comma 0. Therefore AE is equal to 3 and A value is given as 4. Whenever you know A and AE value, you can calculate B square. We have B square equal to A square into 1 minus E square. So B square equal to A square into A square minus A square E square means AE whole square, no? So B square equal to A square means 16 minus AE whole square, 3 square means 9. So B square equal to 7. A square value 16, B square value 7. Therefore, the required equation of ellipse. The required equation of ellipse is x square by A square plus y square by B square equal to 1. That is x square by 16 plus y square by 7 equal to 1. Now with the given data, B is equal to 3. Wherever in the textbook C comes, dear students, C you can consider as AE. So B equal to 3 and AE is equal to 4. Squaring on both sides, B square equal to 9. B square means A square minus AE whole square is equal to 9. AE value substitute in this. A square minus 4 square is equal to 9. A square minus 16 equal to 9. A square equal to 25. So A square value we know that. B square value also we know that. Therefore, the required equation of ellipse. The required equation of ellipse. X square by A square. First you write the formula and then substitute your students. Y square by B square equal to 1. That is x square by 25 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. Okay, dear students, more 2 questions are there, but also we'll finish it. Thank you for joining, those who joined and watching our channel. Please like and share. If you like this video, it reaches to more students. That is the reason I am requesting you people to like this video. Tomorrow evening maximum, I try my best by 6:30 around, I'll come to the session in my other channel, Maths with Panindra. Section D, I think, Maths AP Intermediate First Year Model Paper. We are in fourth section. That is last section. Please join in the session tomorrow evening. First we'll rub it. Question number 22. Center at 0, 0. Center at 0, 0. Major axis on y-axis. Major axis on y-axis. And passes through. The points, passes through the points 3, 2 and 1, 6. This is a good question, dear students. Listen carefully. This type of question given in the model paper itself. Center 0, 0, major axis on y-axis. That means, so this is B dash, dear students, A dash. In this case, A is less than B, case will come. But let the required equation be, let the required equation of the ellipse be x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Even if you simplify this, b square x square plus a square y square equal to a square b square. Equation 1 passing through or passes through. The first point substitute. 3, 2, wherever x, y is there in this, replace with this. Then, x is equal to 3 substitute 3 square is 9. 9b square plus 4a square is equal to a square b square. Equation number 2. Next, equation 1 passes through. One, 6, then x is equal to 1 substitute means b square plus y is equal to 6 with 36 a square is equal to a square b square. Keep that equation number 3. Solving 1 and 2 and 3. Solving 2 and 3. So first equation, second equation multiplying the second equation as it is we are writing 9b square plus 4a square is equal to a square b square. Second equation, so third equation multiplying by 9. 9b square plus 36 into 9. 324 a square is equal to 9a square b square. So we are subtracting one equation from other, minus, minus, minus. So these two will be cancelled from here. If you subtract minus 320 a square is equal to minus a square 8a square b square. So minus 320 a square is equal to minus 8a square b square. So So 320 means 320 is equal to 8b square. So 320 by b square, 8 is equal to b square. So 40 is equal to b square. So 40 b square value 40, where we have to substitute in this. Substitute in equation number 3, 40 plus 36a square. So b square means 40a square. B square is equal to 40 into a square. So this value bring inside. 40 is equal to 40a square minus 36a square. So 40 is equal to 4a square. So a square is equal to 10. So a square value, b square value. A square comma b square, substitute in equation 1. We get x square by 10 plus y square by 20 is equal to, this is 47. I hope you understand this type of question we may expect in the public examination, dear students. Yeah, we move to question number 23, which is the last question. Major axis on the x-axis, major axis on x-axis, and passes through the point, passes through the point points 4, 3 and 6, 2. Major axis on x-axis, that means the ellipse figure is like this, dear students. A dash is major axis. Okay, B dash is minor axis. Let the required equation of ellipse be x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. It is equation number 1. Equation 1 passing through. 4 4 comma 3. Then, so in place of x comma y, 4 comma 3 substitute. 16 by a square plus 9 by b square equal to 1. Even if you simplify, 16b square plus 9a square equal to a square b square. Equation number 2. Equation 1 passes through. Passing through. Passing through or passes through, we can write it as students. 6 comma 2. Then 36 by a square plus 4 by b square equal to 1. 36b square plus 4a square is equal to a square b square, keeping that equation number 3. Solving equation 2 and equation 3. Equation 2 into 4. So that means 64b square plus 36a square is equal to 4a square b square. Equation 3 into 9. Nine 6 are 54, 9 3 are 324. B square plus 9 4 the 36 a square is equal to 9 a square b square. Now we'll subtract minus, minus, minus. These two will be cancelled. 324 minus minus 324 64. So minus 260 b square equal to minus 5a square b square. Minus minus get cancelled. B square get cancelled. 260 equal to 5a square. So 260 by 5 is equal to a square. So 5 table, it implies that a square equal to 5 5s are 25. 10 will be there, no? 5 2s are. Next, a square value, substitute in this. Better to substitute in this. Substitute in equation 2. 16b square plus 9 into 52 equal to 52b square. So 9 into 52 is equal to 52b square minus 16b square. So 9 into 52 is equal to 52 minus 16. So 36b square. 9 ones, 9 fours, 4 ones, 4 13s. So 13 equal to b square. So a square value we got it, b square value is also we got it. A square comma b square values. Substitute in equation number 1. We get x square by 52 plus y square by 13 equal to 1. Okay, dear students, thank you for joining in the session. Please like this video, it reaches to more students. Why? Because if you like this video, it reaches to more students. That is the reason I am requesting you. It reaches to more people, no? That is the reason. It will help you indirectly or indirectly you are helping. Thank you. Jai Hind. Exam side mathematics by Pani. Till here, ellipse conic section completed. In the coming days, parabola or circles I will consider that. We will continue with this. Thank you all.